Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Today I'm going to install a 4-degree timing key, offset key, which this will increase your timing throughout the RPM range of 4 degrees. I got this from Joe Henner off the RXB Facebook page. Basically, it's probably has about a 0.7 millimeter offset in the key, which I guess translates to the 4 degrees. I ordered a flywheel puller, and for some reason it came to the post office near me, and then they decided to leave and go 60 miles away, so it never made it here. I did manage to get the flywheel pulled off with a regular 3-claw flywheel puller. It was a little work. I had to wind up using a ratchet strap around to actually hold on to the flywheel, but I got it off. Yeah, basically it's just gonna set right in here, and of course we want to advance the timing, so the offset would go to the counterclockwise side. I'll get that installed, and as you can see, I have the offset facing towards the counterclockwise side. So this engine turns counterclockwise, well, from this side anyhow. You want to advance the time in 4 degrees, so you offset it to the left. Now you're going to want to torque this bolt back down to 54 foot-pounds of torque, and I'll do that. Now if you don't have any kind of special flywheel lock, you could take something like a small screwdriver, just jam in the gear. It's only 54 pounds of torque, so it's not putting a real bind on it. And I got that torque down, and actually I used an inch-pound, which is roughly 648 inch-pounds. I can actually dial this a little more accurate than my, my foot-pound wrench. You can find them on websites like AliExpress, eBay. Haven't been able to find any. And some of the sites I did find them on, they're out of stock. I got it all buttoned up on this side. Just need to add oil back in. You can tell my oil's a little dark, so it was time to change the oil. So I did drain the rest of it out. And put some oil back in, and then we'll crank it up, see how she runs. Alright, I got my oil in. I'm still on the break-in on my U-piston cam. Just straight Valvoline 20W50. It is hot time of the year now, so go from the 40 weight up to the 50 weight now. And let's see if she cranks up. First crank up in the morning. It don't sound any different, but let it warm up a little bit. I got the baffle in the exhaust, so it keeps a little quiet. Good to me. And for you Mega Dan, it is idling at 1500 RPMs. Hadn't messed with you, Dan. You can see I'm just trying to hit the throttle. Gotta hit the throttle. This thing, power response is great on this bike. I'm curious to find out how this key's gonna work out. Advance the timing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make a difference. I'll find out shortly. I will be installing an O2 sensor and an exhaust today Got an air fuel ratio gauge. I want to make sure I'm checking the fuel mixture on wide open throttles. Make sure I'm not running too lean. Okay, so anyone wants to know what the thing sounds like, there's no muffler. Alright guys, so I just got back from my ride. Yes, the 4 degrees time increase, that really helps it out a whole bunch. Quicker throttle response, get up to speed real quick. Now, I was really impressed with this. Something simple as a little $18 key. It probably cost you less than that if you actually went to make one yourself, which wouldn't be hard to do at all. I did install my air fuel ratio gauge, temporary. It works, but the only problem is with the sunlight, I couldn't see it, and I wasn't sure how I was running. Turned around and then got where it had shade on it, and I could see where I was running. It was just running just a tad rich, not much. I don't think I'm gonna fool it. I got a 125 main in it. I think I'll leave it like that for a while. I checked the plug the other day and it looks fine. It might have been just a tad rich with just looking at the plug, so I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, 0.02 cents. I don't know if you can see it down in there. Got it hooked up. And I just made this out of a little piece of scrap aluminum I had and just sandwiched it between my clip-on. It doesn't move. Put a little double stick tape on the back of it to kind of keep it from turning. This is good and snug. Going over a few things I have done on my bike since last time. I did change these turn signals out. I bought these off Herbie on the forum. These I like these a lot nicer. I went around, took some vacuum line. The plastic would vibrate against the tank, so I got rubber washers behind all my bolts. But also, I took a piece of vacuum line, split it, stuck it here and here, and that holds it off the bike. Same thing on this side. So you don't have that vibration anymore with that. I did install the exhaust. I don't think I showed a video of it. I went riding without a baffle this time. It's not that bad, not too loud. Baffling is pretty quiet, but I don't think it makes much difference in performance. Let's see, get it cranked up. So far I'm happy with all the mods I've done on it. Each time you do a little bit here, a little bit there, it just wakes it up even more. Of course, everybody's going to want to know what's the top speed on it. Well, I'm still trying to break the engine in. Since I replaced a piston and put the cam in, it pretty much been raining. Well, I had a problem with a gasket leaking, so I had to wait for a gasket to come in. And when it finally came in, then it started raining. So if I got 150 miles on it, I doubt that much. This week the weather turned real nice, and it looks like it'll be nice all next week, so I'm gonna get some miles on it. Right now I got probably, I think, 1,600 and something miles. Let's see what we got here. 1,658 miles on it right now. Anyhow, guys, hope y'all enjoy the videos. I will get some riding video into probably tomorrow. I could probably spend half a day riding around on it, just enjoying the beautiful weather. Nice low humidity for South Louisiana. It's really low. Nice and cool in the mid to upper 60s in the morning. It's warming up right now, but the humidity is so low it doesn't feel that hot. Anyhow, guys, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit Venom Motorsport and use Jerry Hawk 250 and get an extra $50 off any bike or ATV.